I travel like a maniac. I travel more than anyone I know. I love learning the languages.
The real luxury travel of the modern age is not through space, it's through time. How often I found where I should be going only by sitting out for somewhere else. I had rather have a fool to make me merry than experience to make me sad and to travel for it too. Anytime you introduce volatility, it is not good for business and not good for travel. London is a roost for every bird. I always pack a travel snake bag. You don't want to get stuck without snakes no matter where you go. I want to travel, maybe I will end up living in Norway, making cakes. Travel is impossible, but daydreaming about travel is easy. The bad seeds are a bench. I will travel a great distance to see whenever possible. Since I travel too much around the world, I take all these vitamins for my immune system. Why not travel? Why not see the rest of the world? Why not experience life? It's beautiful phenomena. When the traveler goes alone, he gets acquainted with himself.